Okay, this is Sandy River. This is where I parked by today. Let's see. Get a nice view of that. Just think, living in the RV and traveling, you can stop and park anywhere you want. Almost. At least for the day, maybe not very many places for the night. There's the railroad trestle. And this is called like 1,000 acres. And there's Tinkerbell. I'm gonna go let her loose. I just wanted to do a quick view, show you the river. That's the freeway, I-84. And this is the, oh, I can't see it out here very good. I hope I'm getting it. This is the river. And it's beautiful. Alright. Like and subscribe. Okay, Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell's getting upset. Look at her. She's getting upset. She wants me to come let her loose. She's getting herself all tangled up. Okay, hold on. Alright, like and subscribe. I gotta get the dog. Have a good day. Bye-bye.